To try this style out, you need a 3-layer ashoki material or any material of your choice. When you get the material, you're going to divide it into 50-50, which is equal division. I'm going to be showing you how to make simple pleats on your head on this video for those that do not know how to make pleats. So I'm trying to make my pleats here. I'm going to create like 4 pleats. If you are okay with 3, you are good to go. But for this tutorial, I'm making just 4 pleats. And take note, when you are making your pleats, you get them well and make sure they are neat, okay? And that is what I'm trying to do here. Once I'm done making my pleat, I'm going to start making the head wrap. I'm done with the pleat here and I just place it the way I wanted it to be. Now directing SS backward, remember they are of equal division, so when you direct it forward, you're going to use your armpits to hold one and you're going to pick the other one and make rough pleats. The pleats are already lined up, just use your hand to pick them one after the other. Now put it on the previous pleat you made like this, direct SS backward. If your own material is long enough to go to the back and get it secured, fine. But my own stopped here and I'll be using my office pin to secure it here. So I'm going to secure twice using office pin before I remove my hand so I can work with the other part. Now here is the other 50 division, which is the other part of the material. I mean, pick the rough pleats directly like this and put it on the previous split you made. Okay, you're going to put it on the previous split, which is the 51 you made earlier. Put it on it, and when you are about to finish like this, you're going to remove your hand a bit and use your elastic band to replace your hand. When you replace your hand with an elastic band, don't leave it like that because it can fall off. Pick an office pin and secure it down with the previous one. Now take it round just like this. The excess you have, take it round to meet each other like this. If you want to take everything round, fine, but I just want to make this one, like, make it different, make it look different by opening the mouth down and adjusting all necessary parts, picking an office pin and taking it together. I take it together there, and this is what I have. But before I go, I realize that it's not standing so well, so I come to the back and pin it together with the previous pleat I have there. Then when I'm done, I have something like this. Then I make sure I arrange all necessary parts. Go to the back and arrange well. And this is the final outlook, guys. It is very simple. All you need is try it and believe you can do it. Simple to do, guys. Just lay your hands on it and thank me later. Drop your thank you in the comment section. I'll be expecting.